Hey guys, it's Doge here, back to show off another Mastermind build, but this time for Annette. We're gonna be calling it Regen Annette just from the title, as you know. Great. First, we're gonna be starting off with our perks. We're gonna be using Fury, Defense, Enhancement. Then for our skill cards, we're gonna be using Enhancing Healing, and then our 2 Tough Zombies. Then for our equipment, we're gonna be using Resilient Skin 2, Power Implant 2 and 1, along with the Miniature Reactor to help us gain some Bio Energy. And for our deck, we're going to be having all the Vapors along with Discount, our Mod Efficiency for creatures, a Tough Zombie, a Crawler, and an Imposter Zombie just to help us get some Bio Energy through Energy Leech. And then for our main actor of this build is going to be the Red Queen mod, which allows us to just pop in and out of zombies for healing whenever we need to, which works well with our Power Implant regeneration. Right, see how the build goes. Alright, so we got Annette, Research Facility, going with that preset 1, okay, that should be fine. Alright, hopefully we get maybe a tough team, don't really wanna... Yeah, I guess that works. 2 high levels, 1 mediocre, and then we got a Sam.
It was not an outcome I anticipated all these years ago. It was all a mistake.
That's nice, she's got a Red Queen mod right off the bat. And with the energy each. Well, let's see if we could try to use this guy a little bit that we have out in the front.
Even as you fight, your end draws closer. Accept your demise.
Ooh. Okay, she's running instant.
Not lethal by itself, but it should buy me some time.
Trying to monitor all our zombies' HPs.
It's sufficient for this task, I believe. Your continued efforts only place humanity in greater danger. I need to buy some time.
Maybe I can get that in time? Yeah.
I'll handle this myself.
Alright. I just want to refortify the beginning. They're also wasting tons of ammo doing that. That's a shame. He's using Discount on that camera. That's fine.
Even should you proceed, I will stop you yet. These creatures should never have been made. But at least they prove useful here.
Not a bad start at all. Okay, let's see if we can do a little step over here.
Closer to death.
She broke that camera, that's fine. Didn't give the 10 seconds though, so that's okay. Okay, this is fine.
Must fix this myself.
It's fine that I start off with at least Discount the next round, so I can at least try to set up the next area. Always want to try to set up with Discount in the next area.
You continue to resist. Yet you will not survive much longer. I'm surprised you made it so far.
Alright, let's see where Yorick's at.
However, I must complete your eradication.
You know what, might as well throw away the healing vapor at the beginning. We could actually try to get something else. Because we'll get it down the line eventually, so that's okay, but this hand is really unlucky with getting constant vapors. Okay. At least we can help out our boys a little bit. Honestly, I probably should use the vapor right then and there since I can't really control my zombies from that far away. Actually, even better, I probably should have set up some zombies over here.
Your deaths will be further evidence. This research and its byproducts are too dangerous for this world.
I might be able to see something.
Make your peace.
Need more than bullets.
Just let it take you.
Thankfully, Lorik has a lot of HP, so we're able to keep him up sufficiently well.
You'll never escape.
No.
Do you really need me to end your own
This will be over soon.
We only truly appreciate sight when it is gone.
Not imagine you can make it out in time.
Looks like they all ran out of resources. That's nice.
Well, this took some time, but at least it is done.
Okay, that was a good example game. Let's see what we can do in another game. Alright, so we're going Annette. We got prison this time. Okay, we're going with our preset 1. See what type of team we get. Alright. These all look high level. I guess the only low over here is the Tyrone, but hopefully the teammates should be able to compensate for that.
This isn't personal. I simply need to expunge your existence.
Not a bad starting hand. Guess we could save up a little bit just to see if they're hesitant on going on the pathway.
You don't have to activate that.
Then I could hit him with my discount and then see what I could actually do with it. So if I just kind of want to monitor which way they're going. Okay, energy leash right there, so I can get some bioenergy for free.
Each step they take brings you closer to death.
Not what I initially wanted to have happen.
Fix this myself.
But he's taking a lot of their bullets and resources, so this is fine.
I cannot sit idly by while you attempt to use that.
Like this is gonna stop.
Further evidence. This research
That's already dead, huh?
products are too dangerous for this world.
EIS offline.
Your continued efforts only place
So I'll just put more zombies on in the meantime while I'm waiting for that to come back. Miladies, come back. Let's see if I can try to get up with another discount here. I think I'm just gonna stick with this setup into area 2. I actually have my discount ready just to start off with area 2. Wasn't a bad area 1 for me. But hopefully I get a decent Yorick spawn.
Yet you will not survive much longer.
Like, I just hope I don't get Yorick in the right side of the room or map, because that's gonna be really hard to defend.
I'm surprised you made
Okay, that's a nice spot for Yorick.
However, I must complete your eradication.
Might as well throw that away since it's for 1 buyer in the gym. Yeah. This should be fun.
How many logs they got here?
Then after this lane falls, I'll go back and defend that. I kinda wish my zombie didn't go outside, but that's fine, I guess. Guess I put with the healing right there because he might have died, or he just did. Wanna lock that door before any more of my zombies actually decide to head out for no reason. Can't really defend them from here. Though it does look they're having a tough time trying to kill them. If I try to a new line of defense over here. It would be pretty cool if I could actually hook on it. Yep, there we go. Daisy already dead.
Creatures should never have been made. At least they prove useful now.
Yorick? Don't die, my boy! Whew. Okay, looks like he's doing fine.
I can handle this.
I'll handle this myself.
I was able to protect Yorick because you took out my camera a little.
From within. Even as you fight, your end draws closer.
Activated. Well, shit.
Alright, I just want the right barrack in now since I can't really do much with them now. Yeah, how will we stop doing that? crouch?
Under my control. Taking aim.
Door's locked. Gotta take the direct route.
Where's the ammo when you need it? Everyone dies eventually. Let your time be now.
So it's not bad for me. They don't have a Valerie, so they have to keep on dealing with their infection. That's a nice thing about it.
Can't you feel the virus taking hold?
See where our bio
let
corresponds?
me put
Okay,
an end
I want
to
to spend
you.
this side first. Don't know why I can't view that one that got knocked on the floor.
Must use brute force. I'm sure. Sufficient for this task, I believe. Just like on the edge. I've got it. Further evidence. This research and its byproducts are dangerous for this world. This will be over soon. You will all end like this. Best laid plans.
It was a nice game.
This went as I predicted.
It seems like a new interesting build people could actually trail on Annette. I'm pretty sure people are still gonna be lagging, but it's still gonna be a fun build for the Mastermind to play with. Well, I guess see you guys later. Maybe you guys have fun with the build.